2025. I see the data. Can we do that? 2025. I have to get today. Now, so I look from behind. Somebody will video me. See, when I watch the video, me say, I go come down to the camera. I go report for best. Yeah. Many of that. On a visit on that have been mad at me. Many of our visitors on that have been mad for this country. My not correct to. My not correct. My not they ask. What ask questions? My not correct. Ask questions where? My not they ask.
Transform your content creation workflow with powerful tools that instantly convert any online video into a stunning, eye-catching animation. Say goodbye to complicated editing and design struggles. With our free, easy-to-use website, you can turn any video into a stunning animation in seconds. Just copy, paste, and animate. Get instant access to our step-by-step training and learn how to create scroll-stopping animations that boost your social media reach and engagement. Click the link below to start transforming your videos today